Right, so how to boot off your USB. This is an hard drive, obviously, SSD, but I've got it connected via USB. This has got Windows 11 on it. The native hard drive in this has got Windows 10 on it, so it's a Windows 10 computer. But I just want to do a video on how to boot from the USB. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to press F12 on most ThinkPads. It should give you this menu. So select the USB and then press it. If you don't see USB in here, you're going to have to go into app menu, but I'll show you that next. So I'll just press enter. It's going to boot from that now. You can see it flashing already, and it should be Windows 11. Yeah, so that's Windows 11. I'm going to turn it back off. This time I'm going to go, I'll do it a different way though. I'll press enter this time. And you go into your BIOS, which is F1. You want to just pause it and have a read through. Got some good stuff in there. So F1 for your BIOS. So this is if you don't see that USB coming up in your menu. Sometimes there can be some security settings like secure boot and that affect it, but it's not on this one. You've got UEFI and legacy boot. We've got that selected for both. And if you press enter, make sure that your USBs are not in your excluded list. If they are, move them up from the exclusion list. So that's it. Pretty easy to boot from a USB, as long as it's set up as bootable, but I ain't covering that on this video. So that's it.